Kind of a warm one out there today as we were able to get into the upper 60s, low 70s, and keep in mind our normal this time of year around 58, 59 degrees. So once again, saw another warmer than normal day, kind of a humid one too. And hopefully you were able to get outside and enjoy it because by the time we talk later on tomorrow, it's going to feel a lot different across central Texas with an Arctic front on the way. Can't tell as you're walking outside right now, though. You do have the cloud cover. You have still winds and temperatures that are in the upper 60s still. 67 down Waco, 67 in Temple, 65 in Killeen, 68 in Bryan College Station, and 66 out in Hamilton. If you have any plans here tonight, we'll have a 20% chance of rain still holding around. Plenty of cloud cover. Temperatures hanging around in the mid to upper 60s. You can see a few of those spot showers trying to show up here on satellite and radar combined. Very cloudy skies that are over central Texas. As we take you up to the north, though, big changes on the way. Look at this snow that's flying across parts of the plains. You see a wintry mix there across parts of Kansas and snow really starting to build. It's going to continue to intensify here later on tonight, and that's why they're under a blizzard warning across parts of Kansas, north of Wichita, heading towards Kansas City and out towards Missouri. The system that's causing that, bringing a big chunk of cold air down our way. And as the wind blows over the snow that falls, that's going to intensify this cold front here tonight that will arrive as we get into tomorrow. Let's play you through time here on Future Track, show you what that looks like. We'll start off tomorrow morning, very similar to what we're dealing with out there right now. Cloud cover, rain still holding on, but as we get into the later portions of the morning, I'm talking around 9, 10 o'clock, that Arctic front will blow through, and look how quickly temperatures fall behind it. We'll be in the 70s out ahead of it in the Brazos Valley with a couple of showers still possible, but temperatures will rapidly fall behind it. By the time we get into Sunday afternoon, we're talking about temperatures that will be in the 50s and continuing to fall. There's Sunday afternoon, upper 40s. Look what happens overnight. We fall down towards freezing. So get ready to prepare those pipes and bring in the pets and the plants tomorrow before we get into the afternoon so that you can deal with this colder air that's going to be in place here on Monday. Winterize the home before that. During the day on Monday, we struggle to warm into the lower 40s, so this is a big cold front that's on the way. The other side of the coin is when you combine the wind, it's going to feel much colder. In fact, look how cold it's going to feel by Sunday evening, already feeling like the 30s, and by Monday morning, teens. So it's going to be a shock to the system compared to what we've had here lately, and even during the day on Monday, still feeling like the mid-30s. Expect the cold air to linger too, and we're going to have to watch closely Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. That's when things could get a little interesting. This system passes without much fanfare, but the system that's coming in by the middle of the week, models are coming into better agreement now that we could see a mix of sleet, snow, and freezing rain try to set up across the area as we get into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. There's going to be a lot of questions that come down to exactly where our temperatures are. And 2 or 3 degrees could make a huge difference between if we see a cold rain coming up Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, or if we start to throw in a mix of snow and sleet. Right now, I'm leaning towards the colder solutions. We'll see how that plays out here over the next few days as the models take a little bit more of a grasp onto that. Right now, we're still in the model behavior stage of winter weather forecasting, but in the next couple of days, we should start to get an idea of what we will end up seeing out of this system. Chief Meteorologist Matt Hines will have an update with some of the latest data as we head on into tomorrow. As you look at the 10-day forecast, like the warm day that you have in place here right now for Sunday, temperatures drop quickly during the day on Sunday. 40s coming up Monday and Tuesday. Look at the rest of that 10-day forecast. This is where we're watching that potential for wintry weather. I've got temperatures struggling to get out of the mid-30s on Thursday, and then we'll cool off again next week. I think in the Brazos Valley, it's going to be all rain coming up as we get into the Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. Temperatures could fall into the 50s early next week as well.